Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a chocolate truffle cake at home. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees F and prepare two 9-inch pans greased and lined. Sift flour, cocoa, baking powder, and salt together in a bowl. Cream butter and sugar, then add eggs one at a time. Alternate adding dry mixture and milk until smooth, then pour batter into pans and bake until a skewer comes out mostly clean. Make a silky ganache by heating 10 ounces of heavy cream and pouring it over 12 ounces of chopped dark chocolate, stirring until smooth and glossy. Let the ganache cool to a spreadable temperature, then whip slightly if you prefer a lighter texture. Use a thin layer between cake rounds for structure and a thicker coat for decadent filling, chilling briefly to set before assembling the final cake and serving. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers make storing ganache-filled slices easy and mess-free, perfect for transporting dessert to gatherings. They stack neatly and stay sealed during travel. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab a set. Thanks for supporting the channel. See you soon. Now let's get back to the video. Level cake layers if needed, then place the first layer on a cake board or plate and add ganache evenly. Stack the next layer, press gently for even contact, and crumb coat with a thin ganache layer to lock crumbs. Chill briefly, then apply a final smooth ganache coat or textured finish. Decorate with chocolate shavings, cocoa dusting, or piped ganache accents for an elegant presentation. Serve slices at room temperature for best flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.